Are you looking for a special hosting discount through which you can save maximum amount of money when you buy your hosting from a Hostinger? Then you are at the right place, because in this video I will give you a special maximum discount link plus two of the finest coupon codes to get the maximum possible discount at Hostinger. So what you have to do is to click on a special discount link. Once you click on that link, you will be landed to a page like this. I'm going to close the Hostinger sales chat assistant so you can see the most over here. So you can see that Hostinger has a maximum deal running right now, but guys, I will be telling you two of the finest coupon codes as well, so you have to watch the video in full. And if you scroll below, you can see that Hostinger is being recommended by WordPress.org, Trustpilot, Google, Hosted by W. All of them say that Hostinger is one of the finest, best class hosting around. So if you look around on the Trustpilot reviews, you can see that the maximum reviews are 5-star reviews. I'm not saying that all of the reviews are 5-star, but the maximum are 5-star. Hostinger is awesome. I've been using Hostinger. Great work. Superb. I'm not saying that these are superb reviews or something like this, but you can see that this is even a negative review over here as well. So what I'm going to tell you is that in case if you have any issues, you are being covered with 30 days money back guarantee. So yeah, these are things, but again, that they also address those issues. And again, you may see that they have 5-star reviews, and this was one of the reason I convinced to buy hosting from Hostinger. So you can see that even the negative review is being sorted by hosting a team, and they address the issue as well. And the best thing is that you are being covered with 30 days money back guarantee. Now if you scroll below, these are the three most popular plans of Hostinger. And if you scroll below, you can see that Hostinger has maximum possible fast speed around, and you can create websites in seconds, awesome beautiful websites within seconds through their powerful AI builder. Even I am using Hostinger hosting on my personal blog, and I've been seeing the maximum improvement, and my experience so far is very good. And you're getting free domains with all of the annual plans, and website migration is easy at Hostinger. So if you're coming from another hosting company, they have a tool through which you can automatically transfer your website to Hostinger. But in case if you feel any issues, their agents are going to help you in transferring your website as well, and that too free of cost. And you can see that the Hostinger control panel is super easy, super friendly. Anyone can operate it, even a beginner, even a newbie can even manage it. And speed, reliability, efficiency is around over there. That you can see that the maximum possible uptime is 99.9%, and it's been added over here right now. And you can see that the maximum security features are being added right now with automatic backups, SSL certificate, malware scanner, Cloudflare protected name servers, and a lot more security features. So, and right now 3 million people are using Hostinger as their hosting company, and even I'm using it, and I want you guys to be the part of this family as well through this special maximum discount based link plus coupon code. So now what you have to do is to select, these are the plans, simply select the secure features to do a thorough research. The good thing is that these coupon codes gonna work with any plan you're going to choose. So do a thorough research before choosing any plan, and once you are done with your research, simply select the choose plan with any plan you're going to select. Once you select the choose plan, you will be redirected to another page. On that page, you are going to see the pricing plus your billing period, and on that you can use a coupon code as well to get further maximum discount. You can see that this is the limited time deal over here right now over here, and I want you guys to take the maximum advantage of it by opting for the 48 or 24 months or 12 months, because these prices won't appear again, and I want you guys to take the maximum out of it. So let's see, we're going to 24 months, or we can go with 48 months. Once you select any period, simply select the have a coupon code and drag this amazing coupon code. You can find this coupon code in the description of this video along with a special discounting. Simply select the apply, and you're going to see that already discount got another maximum discount. Now there is another coupon code as well which you can use, and it is with the name of AHI10. Now simply select the apply, and you're gonna see that the price again got a maximum discount. So you can see that at a 48 months you're getting the maximum possible lowest price plus 2 free domain plus 2 months free are included as well. Simply select the continue over here as well, and once you select the continue, you have to write your billing details. You can see the maximum discount is already loaded. Now once you select the continue over here, you have to write your billing details. Again, this is another beauty of hosting, that they offer a maximum variety of payment methods, which other hosting companies do not offer. You can pay with credit card, PayPal, so many options to choose on. So simply select the credit card or any brand you're going to offer, and simply write the contact details over it, and simply select the subscriber. This is how easily you can buy your hosting from Hostinger with maximum discount. So yeah, I look forward welcoming all of you at Hostinger. So good luck with your hosting from Hostinger. Good luck.